Alright, let's see what we can do. That stupid thing keeps poking me in the gut. Those stems. It's a great light source, but they're getting in the way of me painting and stuff. But I have been given this. Now let's see what this does in retrospect to that. Alright, so we've got this desk lamp here, nice and simple. I've been given this for Christmas under just some ideas to people, and I want to help not have my existing lamp stab me in the stomach. It's very bright, it's very good, I can up and down the quality and stuff like that, but it's getting in the way. Alright, me doing my streaming, me painting, whatever, hobbying is getting in the way. So I thought I'll get this this desk lamp. I was told not to buy it myself, so I've been given it. Alright, so it's a white one, dimensions are there. Alright, so let's actually open this up. Oh, and there's some information on the rear of it as well. So it can go all the way up to 1100 lumens, 14 watts, so on and so forth. All normal rating stuff down there. So let's flip it back the other way. Let's open this up and have a gander, and then we'll see how it actually works in real use. Now the packaging is nice and simple, but it's nicely packed. Now I have not taken this out before. Alright, so you've got your usual clamp for the edge of the table, lamp, whatever you're fixing on. That's just usual, very nice to go with, and it's got a nice bit of foam at the top, I have to admit, so it won't actually heavily mark the top of your desk or table, which is great. It's got normal fixings, perfect. If it works, leave it be. Now, it's USB powered, but they do give you, which is quite nifty, they give you an actual battery adapter, which is great. It's the same wattage and everything that you would need to do. It is made in China, but hey ho, a lot of stuff is made in China. Alright, let's put that over to there. And here is the actual light lamp itself. More foam packaging at the bottom, that's fine. Simple instructions, which is nice and easy. 10 level brightness, 10 level down, mode change on and off. Nice and simple instructions in there if you do need them. Luckily I've been using similar lamp kind of thing elsewhere, so I've got a bit of an idea what I need to keep an eye out for. But let's move that rascally plastic out the way. It's really quite, it's not, it feels solid. It actually feels solid. Don't get me wrong, I know it's made out of aluminium, aluminum, however you want to pronounce it. It's got spring set up. It does feel, it's got nice resistance in the actual opening and closing, which is really, really good. And it actually has clamps to actually set it to whatever you want it to, which is really, really nice. I'm genuinely really pleased with that. That's obviously the light LED source across the top. You've got your controller there, and then you got your LED lead. Now I'm not expecting this to be overly long, alright, because this is primarily set up to be a desk lamp, and they would normally think you would have some form of USB power source, whether that's a laptop, whether that's a PC, whatever you would have in the proximity. But looking at it, I would say this is at least 1 meter long, which is great because I got my PC just to my left hand side, so I can plug that in. But other than that, I would say everything is absolutely fine. What I'm going to do, we're just going to transition over to show my existing setup on the stream. Let's say that's a real life example for me to be able to show to you of using my existing light. and then we'll implement this and see the difference. Fingers crossed it'll be all good, but I'll catch you in a minute. Alright, so as you can see here, we've transitioned over to the real life situation. Basically here, if I'm actually trying to do anything, don't worry about this at the moment, that would be moved. Say down here, I'll be painting, blah blah blah. Now the problem I have been having is I have been like going out to have a paintbrush and I keep cuffing these parts here and then it wobbles the whole desk, and as you can see all the light bits wobble. So that's my main problem. I keep tapping it when I'm painting because sometimes I may be painting something quite big. So we'll see how it goes. Catch you in a minute with the new setup put in place. There you go. As you can see, I've attached the desk lamp to this side and I've been able to actually stretch it out because you can articulate it however you like. I've been able to actually get the lamp to go directly underneath the web camera. So if I am streaming, I do have that option, but also if I'm just hobbying or doing anything that isn't on stream, I've still got all that space now in front. I'm not having something digging into my chest. I've got all this open space. But anyway, I'll show you how it looks on the streaming side and we'll wrap it up from there. But yeah, I'm pretty darn happy with this. See you in a second. Alright, so this is like my view of using this lamp. So you can hopefully see through the face cam here. Hello. You can see another view of it. But anyway, now I've got all this open space in front of my chest. When I'm working on something small, such as this Azrael model that I got here, I can actually bring my face closer to the model, which will obviously help bringing the model close to me, but then also bringing my face closer if I'm streaming. It just helps no end. A little bit dusty, but hey ho. A little bit of touch-up work to do on him, but that's neither here nor there. That's not what the video is about. But yeah, it just makes it easier. I don't need to worry about smacking the lamp around or anything like that. I've got all this empty space now to play with. But then if I'm working on something larger, like a larger model or terrain or anything like that, if I'm streaming, lift up the camera. Hello, blocking. But I can lift up the light source as well, which is obviously the desk lamp that I've got here. Bring it up. I've got all this empty space vertically as well now. I can bring in a knight to play with. Now, many of you know a knight is not small. So I can go from small things to large things really, really easy. The light source is really nice and sturdy. And then if I then want to adjust the lighting settings, I go down to the little panel. I'll go from regular light style to warm. Hopefully you can see that. To then cool. And then back to normal. And then I can decrease the volume of light or the brightness down 10 settings, I believe. And that's now on its lowest setting, which is very, very dim. All the way back up. And it's a short distance from my hand. Really, really easy. You can see how easy that was. But anyway, I'm going to leave it here. I do hope this has been most informative for you. Just going to move that out the way. And I'm just going to turn it off now. As you can see, there's a lot of brightness that comes out of this. So if I turn it back on, that's a lot that comes out. But anyway, if this video has been informative for you in any way, shape or form, please like and comment down below if you came across these lamps before. I'm going to put this lamp and similar ones in the description so you can have a look yourself. I'm going to be using this an awful lot. I love it to bits. I'm very grateful for having it as a Christmas gift. It's perfect. It's exactly what I needed. But if you are new to the channel and you like these kind of videos, like, comment, and even subscribe to the channel, please. It will let me know that you're enjoying this kind of content, you know, the reviews, the hobby kind of stuff, but also it helps YouTube realize people may want to see this kind of content. But as always, thank you very much for watching all the way through. It's very much appreciated. And you all take care of yourself with whatever you're doing for the rest of your day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.